You may encounter a situation after a collision or partial grounding where the ship's outer hull is damaged. If the damage is large enough, water ingress may occur not only into ballast tanks, like the double bottoms, but also into cargo holds. On some vessels, a damage stability model is built in. On others, it isn't. Here, it is created because it's not too complicated to calculate. Go to the damage stability sheet. First, make sure that the actual loading condition is already set in the stability report, meaning that ballast tanks, fuel, and everything else are filled in as required. Next, enter the flooding depending on where the hole is. For example, if you have flooding in the engine room, so the hole is somewhere here, go to the damage stability sheet and enter 100% for the engine room. As you can see, this gives you the actual flooded weight of the engine room. And here is the updated displacement in tons. So, after applying the damage with the engine room flooded, the new total weight will be this value. And as you can see, the vessel is still afloat. The draft in the flooded condition depends on the ship's particulars. Here, the middle draft is approximately 8.9 meters. For this vessel, the maximum normal calculated draft is 12 meters. The scantling draft is 13.5 meters, and that is not considered an acceptable maximum, at least for this loading software.